welcome back. So today we are going to be making a green sauce with a breakfast burrito, and I'm here with my good friend Hayden. Yeah, we met when we were 5. He's a really good baker. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So we have some aguacates. Just kidding, it's avocados. I say that very weirdly. So I'm going to squeeze those in. And after you squeezed all your avocados in, Hayden will say the rest.
We will add some oil and sour cream and lemon juice.
So after you've added all your ingredients, you kind of just want to start mashing it with a fork. And then once it gets to a creamy consistency, you're going to add your salts.
So we're going to add in garlic salt and garlic pepper. You can add in as much as you want to your prefers or likings.
Once it's all added in, you're just going to mix that up again. And then once it's all mixed up, you have homemade green sauce to put with your burritos.
We have a pan that's heating up with oil in it, so then the eggs don't stick to the bottom. And then we have salt, garlic pepper, and then garlic salt here. And then we have 2 eggs. So I'm gonna crack the eggs into the pan. So we're gonna just cook the scrambled eggs. You can do them however you want. You can add whatever seasonings you want. Now that the eggs are done, we are gonna put the tortilla and the eggs and whatever else you'd like on your breakfast burrito together. So for our extra ingredients, or for our breakfast burrito, we have bacon. After the bacon is done cooking, we're gonna add onions and garlic chives to the bacon fat. So we're gonna add the onions and garlic chives now. Now that the onions and chives are almost done, we are gonna take them we're gonna remove them from the heat and add them to our breakfast burrito.
Once you got all your bacon or the toppings that you want, what you want to do is you want to take your green sauce and just kind of put it on your burrito. After you're done getting the green sauce on the burrito, what you're gonna do is you want to take your eggs and put your eggs with your burrito. Once they're on your burrito, you're gonna want to take your onions and garlic chives or whatever other toppings you have. And then after that, you want to put some bacon on. And then after you're done with your bacon, don't forget your cheese. And those are your breakfast burritos. I hope you liked the video. If you did, like and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at thedaily.mel. And thank you, Hayden, for joining us in this breakfast burrito video. And bye!